In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage social media campaigns using Monday.com in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your social media efforts and manage campaigns efficiently, Monday.com offers an excellent platform to get started. Let's walk through the steps to set up and manage your social media campaigns seamlessly. To begin, open your browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see the option to log in. If you already have an account, click on Log In. For those who haven't created an account yet, you can easily sign up with your Google account, which is a convenient touch. If you choose to log in with Google, ensure you select the appropriate email address that you'll be using for your campaigns. After logging in, you'll be taken to your workspace. Here, look for a blue plus sign button on the left side of your screen. This is the gateway to creating a new board. Go ahead and give it a hover, and when you see it, select board from the options that appear. Now let's find a template to kickstart our social media management. Click on Start with Template, and in the search box that appears, type in Social Media Planner. This will pull up a variety of templates specifically designed to help you plan and manage social media content. Choose the template that suits your needs and click Use Template. Once your new board is set up, take a moment to explore. Under Social Media Plan, you will find a comprehensive overview of what's included in this template and tips on how to utilize it effectively. This area is incredibly useful as it guides you through making the most of the features available. After familiarizing yourself with the plan, you can begin to edit and add more social media content directly on the planner board. Customize it to fit the specifics of your campaigns. Remember, flexibility is key in managing dynamic social media strategies. In addition to the main table tab, the template offers a variety of views to help visualize your social media plan. Switch to calendar view to see your planned content displayed by month. This feature is particularly handy for keeping track of publication dates and deadlines. There's also a files section where you can upload all the multimedia content you plan to use, such as images and videos. Centralizing your assets will help streamline the content posting process. Lastly, don't hesitate to modify the template to better fit your workflow. The beauty of Monday.com lies in its customizability, allowing you to adapt the platform to your unique needs. Use this robust tool to transform your social media management and take your campaigns to new heights. Enjoy the process and the organization Monday.com brings to your social media efforts.